Hi, guys.
I'm so.
That pain feels good.
The all-seeing eye. Gotta ride the short bus today. Girls don't have Adam's apple.
We do?
We don't. They don't. Got socks on. My feet are ugly. I don't want to see them anyway. Please don't hurt me. Hey guys, I'm Jay Leno. Welcome to the night show.
Snickers.
Don't hurt me
Mine-
with your
mine
massive
used to
arm.
be-
Holla! Get out of my. You're in my place, ma'am. What noise do giraffes make? That's a serious business.
What did I say last time you made fun of me?
Time to go chop some lumber.
All single
Ashley's
ladies.
raising the house.
All single ladies. All single ladies. All single ladies. Woo!
Wow! Yeah.
Be like, see, look at that arm. Look at that arm.
Oh yeah. I want to turn. Really?
Go.
I just lost 600 pounds. Do the
I
mirror.
say
wanna
it's
see the mirror.
weird.
This curvy arm.
I like this a lot better than my fat arm. Ow.
Oh my gosh, they smell so bad. You ever shower, really? Do you ever shower? You need to wash your feet. I'm serious.
On my nose.
No, move. I'm looking at Ashley.
Yeah. Oh, shake it.
Ring the bells, Ashley.
I think that's okay.
You think my lips are ugly?
I can't do that.
I think they're pretty cool.